My name is Judith Epstein. I'm a pediatrician. I've been coming to the YMCA for about 15 years. On September 1st of 2021, I jumped into the pool outside and I immediately noticed that I was having the worst headache of my life. I signaled to Marko, who is the lifeguard sitting by the pool, and got out of the pool and asked him if he would call 911. Marko responded immediately. He also signaled to Alex to shut down the pool, and then he came over and he spoke to me while I was basically holding my head down. I was in so much pain, and we waited for the ambulance to come. He also contacted the front desk, and as soon as the ambulance had arrived and taken me off, they went in and they broke into my locker to get my pocketbook with my insurance card, and they contacted my husband, who came immediately to pick my things up and then drove to the hospital. So when I got to the hospital, I was starting to become unconscious. So actually, once I got to Suburban, I remember almost nothing because I was becoming unconscious. They did, I believe they did an MRI, and they saw that one of the vessels in my brain had hemorrhaged. So I went to Harvard Medical School. I've been a doctor for 32 years, and I can say without a doubt that the reason I'm doing so well today is because the YMCA called the 911 immediately, and I got care immediately. Had I been somewhere else, it could have been totally different. It could have been catastrophic. I wanted to say that one-third of people, with what I have, one-third of people die before they get to the hospital. One-third of the people die while they're in the hospital and shortly after. And the other third have many side effects and disabilities. And so I'm in a very unusual category that I'm doing so well. Very, very few people, really few people, do as well as I've done. I mean, I'm just about normal. I'm back to working at NIH. I actually saw some patients this week. I'm back to seeing children and their families, and it's absolutely amazing. So I can say that the YMCA was important not only in saving my life, but in helping me with my recovery. Just in coming to the YMCA every day, I would go in the pool, and I always had the support and the encouragement of the lifeguards on staff. And it's really, without that quick response, I would not be here, or I would be here in a very different shape.